I want to introduce you to the Connie top. It's really super simple to sew for any beginner, and we've got some lace just sewn to the front, and I've added some pearly buttons to it, an insert here, and again with a lace trim, and of course we have the all-important flutter sleeves everyone loves for the summer, and a little lace trim at the hem as well. The back is elasticated, that makes it very easy for fit. And we have got buttonholes inserted just for the length of the strap, but if you have your child at home, then all you need to do is try it on and then sew the flutter sleeves in at the length they need to be, and that's it. We have got a whole collection, we call it the vintage collection, and this is the Bonnie skirt that I'm teaming up here, and it's just one of the many combinations you can do with this wonderful pattern. So I hope to see you in the course soon, and you'll enjoy sewing our vintage collection this summer. Bye for now.